In front of me is Motorola Edge 6 Diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. To manage any recorder settings, click at the top left corner and choose them at the bottom. To start recording, click on this red button. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. And to end it and save it, on the square one. Now name it at the top. And hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options or click on the top right corner here to use this pen or those three dots. You can also go back and hold it here to click on those two options, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!